Seeking knowledge about how to make money online? You need to watch this video. Everyone knows someone who is making a killing online, but how do you get to do the same yourself? Would you like to give up your job and instead work from home? If you are interested in learning more about working online, this video has the tips and tricks you need. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and Associated Content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. Now that you've read all of these great tips and tricks, you are primed to make some money online. Take your time as you begin to figure out what niche is right for you. Once you find your money-making opportunity, build up your drive and start tackling it with passion. Student loan.